How to fix Excel formulas not working or calculating. There are several possible reasons and solutions for this issue. Here are some of them. One reason is that the calculation mode in Excel may be set to manual instead of automatic. This means that the formulas will not update automatically when you change the data or the formulas. To fix this, you can go to Formulas Calculation Options and select Automatic. You can also press F9 to recalculate the workbook manually or Shift plus F9 to recalculate the active sheet. Another reason is that the cells containing your formulas or data may be formatted as text instead of number. This will prevent Excel from recognizing and calculating the formulas. To fix this, you can select the cells and change the format to general or number from the number section on the Home tab. A third reason is that your formulas may contain text, spaces, or apostrophes that cause errors or prevent Excel from interpreting them correctly. To fix this, you can review your formulas and remove any unwanted characters or spaces. If you need to use a quotation mark or apostrophe in your formula, you can use double quotation marks to represent a single quotation mark. For example, instead of equals it's a great day, use equals it's a great day. A fourth reason is that your formulas may have incorrect or missing arguments, such as parentheses, commas, operators, or references. To fix this, you can check your formulas and make sure they follow the correct syntax and have all the required arguments. A fifth reason is that your formulas may have circular references, which means that they refer to themselves or to other cells that depend on them. This can create an infinite loop of calculations that Excel cannot resolve. To fix this, you can identify and remove the circular references by using the error checking feature on the Formulas tab.